Hello, it's Paul here from Jap-Auto-Agent and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a video demonstration of a 2018 Mitsubishi Delica D5. This is a 2.2 diesel, 6-speed automatic, 8-seater MPV with 220mm of ground clearance and selectable 2- and 4-wheel drive system. So we provide a service of cherry picking the best cars we can find. My customers make a massive saving on the UK retail price while securing a top quality car, so it's a win-win opportunity. So enjoy the video, the numbers are there, contact me, speak to you soon.
Hello, here we have something beautiful. It is beautiful. This is a 10th anniversary Mitsubishi Delica, or Delica, depending on how you want to say it. It comes from the word delivery car. You see we've got a front camera there. We've also got side and rear cameras. This is the 10th anniversary Chamonix, and it's got a few little extra things, like it's got these different wheels, 18-inch. This is like a chrome plated, I guess you'd say, wheels. Inside it's got some slightly different interior features. We'll have a look in a second. Quite a nice car. These turbo diesels are really fun to drive. When I say fun, and the reason they're fun, they're just when you're at the traffic lights or if you're on a corner and you want to get out quickly, the torque just, you're off. And they're very fuel efficient as well, even around, well, particularly around town, I'd say. So being the 10th anniversary, we've got we've got part leather, Alcantara, I guess, seats. You can see they're pretty nice. They are nice. And you've got the ISOFIX here. These seats I think would be really good with ISOFIX seats because they're fairly flat, so they're not going to damage the seats too much compared to some other cars. You've got little hooks here if you want to hang your garbage. These seats, they can slide back. You've got enough room in there for some groceries and things like that. You've got cup holders. This one's pretty cool. It's got the curtains, which are great if you want to keep the sun out, have a little rest. In this car, you can actually take the headrest off, fold it down flat, and there's a cushion that you can buy, which totally flattens these seats out. And I've actually slept in one of my friends, or partly had a rest in it, I should say. But you could have a very comfortable night's sleep with this car if you get that cushion. You can see we've got rear aircon. You've got various hooks up there to hang things. Actually, there's hooks all over the place. I guess they've really, this is an outdoor person's sort of car, so I guess they love hooks. I know I love hooks when I go camping. You can tie everything down everywhere. It's pretty good to have a nice mat like this. It's really going to protect the base. We've got rear power outlets. You can see we've got more hooks up there. You've got hooks off the roof. You've got hooks everywhere. You've got bungee cords here. It's like a backpack. Ready to go travelling. This one's it's in really good condition. A lot of these plastics can get quite scratched, and these are, they're not too bad at all. You see, look at that fabric. Move it around. It's fresh. I think this trim, so I've been told, is slightly different on the 10th anniversary. It's more of a plastic trim. We'll go and start the car in a second. You can see we've got 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, diff locks. There's some armrests. These can come up, stay down. So over on the driver's side, so you've got a nice speaker there. You've got a cup holder there. Actually, this car's got a ton of cup holders. You've got 4 in the centre. You could even put more in there if you wanted to. You've got another cup holder here. You've got some on the back, right up the back on each side. I think you've got some on the sliding doors here. So you're never going to go thirsty driving a Mitsubishi Delica, that's for sure. Now on the steering wheel we've got cruise control, various settings for the audio system. You've got phone controls, paddle shift gears to control that 6-speed automatic transmission. Auto lights, which are really good if you're going in and out of tunnels all the time. Stability control, I think they call that ACS in Mitsubishi terms. We've got twin power doors. Really nice if you want to cool the car down and open it all up. And this one we've only got 26,800 kilometres on it. That's why it's in such good condition. So, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, diff locks, which can all be changed while you're driving, which is pretty nice feature to have. You've got rear aircon, climate control. We've got cameras, left side, rear, front. So under the hood we've got a 2.2 litre common rail turbo diesel engine, and this has got about 360 newton metres of torque according to Mitsubishi, about 148 horsepower. Now they're claiming 13.6 kilometres per litre. The actual test that I've done gets about 10 on the freeway, but that's going at about 130 kilometres an hour or 70 miles an hour, which I should say it's 120 kilometres an hour, which is the speed limit, is what I was doing. So look, it's very efficient for a car of this size, which is about 1.7, I think, or just under 1.7 tonne, 1,700 kilos. So for this size car, it's good fuel economy.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fit for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email, sales@japautoagent.com.